Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix AliExpress order close. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually fix or how do you encounter or how do you actually properly fix this order close status here? So if your order on AliExpress has been closed, well, unfortunately, there's no way to reopen it again. Even if you escalate this issue to AliExpress management, orders are closed by arbitrators, not by the seller. And these actions typically cannot be reversed. Therefore, it's crucial not to rush into confirming receipt of your order upon delivery. This step is important because once you confirm receipt, your ability to dispute the order and request a refund is compromised, especially if the product turns out to be faulty. Now, in this case, first action you need to do here is make sure to not confirm that you received your order. So if the order is closed, make sure to not confirm. Now, when purchasing electronics or any items of value, it's advisable to thoroughly test it at least 2 to 3 days before confirming receipt. So this precaution allows you to identify any potential issues early on and ensures that you can still open a dispute if necessary. Now, if you accidentally confirm receipt of an order and later discover that you didn't receive the product or it doesn't meet your expectation, there are steps you can to secure a refund, even if the order is closed. So you can gather evidence such as screenshots of your communication with the seller or any discrepancies in the order itself. Now, it's also important to note that sellers can cancel shipments, which is different from the order being closed by arbitrators. During the period when an order is closed, you will still have an option to open a dispute and request a refund through AliExpress dispute resolution process. If you were charged for an order that was immediately closed, you should receive a notification regarding the refund process. So orders are sometimes closed for security reasons, such as seller bans or other administrative decisions. Typically, refunds are processed within 7 to 14 days under such circumstances. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.